Sceptre 25 165Hz 144Hz 1ms Pro Slim LED Monitor Amd Free Sync 2x HDMI 1x DisplayPort Built-in speakers, metal black 2019, E258B 1658A 165Hz 144Hz refresh rate pushing beyond the standard 144Hz 165Hz gives gamers and edge invisibility as frames transition instantly leaving behind no blur images. 1 millisecond playing fast action games and watching action adventure movies always require fast and accurate pixel response from an LED with quick response times ghosting and blurring are reduced so the user can enjoy the monitor with clarity and precision. Amd Free Sync with Freesync gamers now enjoy smooth video and seamless on-the-spot movement through their fast-paced games. Freesync is an AMD technology that nearly eliminates tearing and stuttering due to differences between a graphics card's frame rate and a monitor's refresh rate. Anti-flicker provides a crisper picture by preventing the backlight from flickering periodically. DisplayPort has rapidly become the most versatile display connection, easily delivering video and audio. DisplayPort is also capable of delivering 1080p video over a length up to 15 meters, 45 feet, using a passive cable. Blue light shift reduce your monitor's blue light to protect you from eye fatigue, irritation and strains. This enables you to work on your documents, watch movies, or play games more comfortably for extended periods. Tiltable display. A display that tilts 15 degrees backward and 5 degrees forward allows you to find a sweet spot that bridges clarity and comfort. VESA wall mountable. The VESA wall mount pattern gives you the freedom to select the optimum viewing position for your monitor, eliminate cable clutter, and save valuable space for your gaming and workstation. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.